Alright, so while I am preparing to do a tutorial on the next step of the Arch installation, I managed to not have a backup virtual machine for that. So when I practiced, I forgot to copy the original state of the virtual machine, but I have a little older state, but there is some problem with this. For example, if I just going to less/var/log/pacman.log, and we go to the end of it, we can see that this virtual machine have last been updated 2020 September 1st. So that's far from ideal, I guess. So let's try to run a pacman-syu and let's see whether Archonix can be updated after 1 year of not really taking care of it. So let's proceed with the installation of all these packages and let's see how well it fares, because one of the things that many people measure rolling release distributions with is how long can you go without an update. And I know, like, some of the podcasts I am listening to, they brag about, well, it's not really bragging because it's not their own achievement, but they, how could I say, so they present proudly the SUSE Linux, the Tumbleweed, because that one is very good at, being updated from very big time intervals between, or leaving very big time intervals between updates. And Archonix people have this kind of fear that if you don't update for a long time, it will break. And I can assure you that that can happen. So I was curious about this issue. I had a very old VM which I used a very long time ago on this YouTube channel. So before I actually started using Archonix on my main machine, I was using it in a VM, and I tried to update that one, and that failed. So that was 2 years. That was almost 2 years. So that was like also September, but that was not 2020. That was 2019 September when that was last updated. And I just couldn't update that because of the keyring. So I couldn't figure out how to deal with the issue that basically some of the keys that they use to sign the packages to ensure the consistency of the packages, those keys got expired and replaced, and I couldn't go through the update process for the 2 years, but it seems like after 1 year it is still working. So if you haven't updated your Archonix system since last September, here's the proof that probably you will be able to do it. Well, this is like a very minimal build that is only containing like the very basic of the system. So this was from the video that I did with the installing the bootloader, and after installing the bootloader, this was the saved state of that virtual machine. And, that does not have many packages on that, so that might not, so your mileage may vary. Of course, your number of packages you will have to update will be much more, but generally the things that can break is firstly your, the mirror list might be outdated, so maybe the first mirror that you selected does not exist anymore and will fail to download from that. And the second big issue might be the keyring, and you can see here that neither of those affected my system. Of course, if you are in a different geographical region, you might have to shuffle a little with your mirror list in that case. But anyways, so as you can see, Archonix, I managed to update a very basic no GUI Archonix installation after 1 year. And I guess this is the end of the video, and I will see you in the next one. So give me a like and subscribe and comment down below to feed the algorithm, I guess, and engage with me. I like engagement. I like to engage with my audience. Bye bye.